again today. Today we're doing another waterfall hike in the Manoa area, but not Manoa Falls. We're doing the Aihualama Falls Trail. You can get to it by going to the Manoa Falls parking area and parking near the Arboretum. I don't even know if I said that right. But you have to pay. There's a visitor center that you go in and you check in at. Really easy. This hike is like 1.2 miles, I believe, in and out. There's a little waterfall at the end, so we're really excited to get going today, so come along with us. Here is a pretty uncommon fruit, actually. This is the Monstera deliciosa fruit. You have to wait for this to ripen. You've got to pick it, wait for it to ripen. The scales will actually kind of come off. It's sort of like a mix between a banana and a pineapple. Very sweet, but you have to eat it at the right moment, or the kind of poisonous might make your mouth tingle. And yeah. This one's kind of a baby. You gotta wait until they get a little bit bigger. And if you see these like markings here, they become like little scales and they'll just kind of like pop off as it ripens. Wow. Not every plant will have fruit, so. Now that's a big tree. Trail running! Alright guys, so we made it to the falls. Sadly there wasn't a lot of falls today. It had been raining a lot, but the past 2 days have been kind of dry. So if you want to come to do this one, I would definitely recommend trying to come
right after it rains, because it doesn't look like it's a very strong stream here, but it's really, really beautiful. Bring bug spray. We made the mistake, and it is so mosquito-y, it's not good. So bring bug spray.
Yeah, all the plants are super cool, and they had like little name tags to kind of identify them. So if you're kind of trying to dabble into learning more about different plants and native Hawaiian plants, it's a really cool hike, and there's a lot of off trails that you can take and just get lost. Yeah.
Hey. Yeah, it's pretty much a little maze over here, but all the plants are really, really pretty. Just bring bug spray because the mosquitoes are killing us. But yeah, you could even come when it's raining. Maybe that would help.
There we go. I like
some
that.
water going. I'm sure it'd be kind of a nice stroll in the rain too. Not too muddy.
Yeah, and the trail is very paved and rocked and like well taken care of, so you wouldn't have too much trouble with mud or having a hard time getting up here. Anyways, guys, that was the hike. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps us out, and we'll see you guys in the next video.